Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls. So if this is something interests you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Guys, like winters are officially here और आपकी स्किन जो है वो बहुत ड्राई हो जाती है, एटलीस्ट मेरी तो हो जाती है. आई एम नॉट अ ड्राई स्किन पर्सन, बट विंटर्स आते आते बहुत ज़्यादा मेरी स्किन ड्राई हो जाती है एंड आई रियली वॉन्ट सम प्रोडक्ट्स विच आर वेरी सूटेबल फॉर विंटर्स. मतलब जो मेरी ड्राइनेस है मेरी स्किन में, जो वो इचीनेस है मेरी स्किन में, कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स जो उस पूरी ड्राइनेस को खत्म कर दे. तो मैं आपके साथ आज कुछ प्रोडक्ट शेयर करूंगी specifically for winter season, and I received a few products from this brand named M or EMM, that means E Megamart. तो ये उनका पूरा winter skincare kit है. I received all the products in this particular box. इसके अंदर आपको 4 products मिलेंगे and all the 4 products I must say are suitable for every skin type, specifically in winters. So without any further ado, let's see what all products I am talking about. So guys, जो पहली चीज है जो हम हमेशा करते हैं, that is to wash our face. And winters में you really don't like your face wash to be very drying. मतलब मुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद कि मेरा स्किन बहुत ड्राई हो जाए. I really like something which is very hydrating on skin and at the same time cleanses my skin really well. So the first product in this kit they have is this one. This is their Dwash creamy moisturizing face wash, and that's how this looks like. And let me tell you, this has a very creamy formula and आपके स्किन को बिल्कुल भी ये हार्म नहीं करेगा. It will keep your oils intact, and जो आपके dead skin cells हैं और जो आपके impurities है, it's just going to take them out really nicely. एक चीज बता दूं that all the products are paraben free, so you can be rest assured that they haven't used any nasty chemicals. These are really safe for your skin, and this particular face wash, this is enriched with many oils and vitamin E as well, जो कि हमारे skin के लिए is like a boon. And this face wash is for dry skin type, and it is enriched with oils, butters and vitamin, and of course it is paraben free like I have told you. And इसका जो formula है that is very luxurious and very ideal for dry and sensitive skin type, and it retails for 499 rupees for 70 ml of product. Right, after washing your face, it's very important to moisturize your skin, and winters में तो ये step बिल्कुल ही non-skippable है. तो इनकी किट में जो ये नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है वो है ये, एंड दिस इज देयर लिपिड्स क्रीम, एंड इट इज फॉर वीक और डैमेज स्किन ऑफ योर फेस, एंड इट रिपेयर्स योर थिन एंड यू नो फ्रिजाइल स्किन. अगर आपकी स्किन थोड़ी फटी खिंची रहती है तो दिस इज गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड इनफ मॉइस्चर टू योर स्किन. Now talking about the ingredients, it does have hyaluronic acid, ceramide, squalane, and it penetrates in skin deeply and hydrates the skin within. And of course this is as well paraben free, and this is ideal for all skin type by the way, including sensitive skin, and it retails for 220 for 50 grams of product. Now talking about my experience, मुझे ये क्रीम बहुत ही जेंटल लगी मेरे स्किन पे, एंड ये बिल्कुल ऑयली नहीं है. मतलब आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि आपकी स्किन बहुत ज्यादा ग्रीसी हो गई है या ऑयली हो गई है. ये बहुत ही अच्छे से आपकी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज करेगा, एंड क्योंकि इसमें हाइलुरोनिक एसिड है, इट वर्क्स लाइक ह्यूमेक्टेंट, दैट इज टू ड्रॉ मॉइस्चर फ्रॉम एयर फ्रॉम एनवायरमेंट, एंड इट मेक्स योर स्किन लुक very plump and moisturized. It will give you a glow from within, and I really like this thing that they don't look very greasy. मतलब dry skin के लिए है, winter के लिए है, doesn't mean कि ये बहुत greasy होगा. तो definitely ये from my side for this particular cream. One more thing I want to add, I haven't used products like these क्योंकि I have used many other brands product, लेकिन इनका जो एक ये जो बोलते हैं that this is specifically for winters and ये अपनी चीजों पे खरे उतरते हैं, so that's what I like because these products are really luxurious and at a very affordable price. Now after that, if you are looking for a body lotion, because if your skin is very itchy and flaky, जैसे कि मेरी स्किन है, winters में my skin goes on a toss and बहुत ही flaky itchy skin हो जाती है. For that also I have a perfect solution. That is this one. This is their Hydrofil skin moisturizing lotion, and it replenishes skin's moisture and protective lipid barrier with advanced non-comedogenic ingredients. It contains aloe vera, beeswax, vitamin E, keeps skin soft and supple, and the Hydrofil is again a humectant and it attracts moisture, and it retails for 175 rupees for 100 ml of product. Now guys, talking about my experience, now the texture of the cream is very non-greasy. जैसे कि उनका क्रीम का था वैसे ही लोशन का भी है, and it moisturizes your skin so well. You don't need a lot of it, and इसकी एक बहुत अच्छी बात यह है कि इसको लगाने के बाद you don't have to worry because it works as a humectant. तो moisture को ये बिल्कुल लॉक कर देगा आपके स्किन पे, and your skin will be hydrated for फॉर 4 to 5 hours easily. उसके बाद भी आप इसको रीअप्लाई कर सकते हो. Does not feel greasy or whatsoever. So I really like the texture this lotion has. Lastly, I have a very, very interesting product for you. I wasn't expecting this to be here. So in winters again we take bath इन हॉट वाटर एंड एटलीस्ट मैं वार्म वाटर में नहीं नहा सकती, मुझे गर्म पानी ही चाहिए. तो उससे क्या होता है ना कि आपकी स्किन बहुत ही इची हो जाती है बॉडी की. फेस की स्किन इतनी नहीं होती क्योंकि फेस पे मैं गर्म पानी यूज नहीं करती. टॉकिंग अबाउट माई बॉडी, आई डू यूज हॉट वाटर एंड मेरी स्किन बहुत ही इची, बहुत ही फ्लेकी हो जाती है. परफेक्ट सोल्यूशन फॉर यू. सो दिस इज देयर बेदिंग बार. दिस इज Vizigly plus bathing soap. Now this is a very transparent soap, if you can see. It moisturizes, protects and nourishes your skin in a gentle way. It has wheat germ, aloe vera gel and almond oil. Retails for 110 rupees for 100 grams of product. Now, it smells amazing. Yeah, it does smell amazing. And इसमें क्योंकि ग्लिसरीन है ना, एंड इसमें क्योंकि आपको एलोवेरा भी मिलता है, इसमें व्हीट जर्म भी है, तो आपका जो स्किन है वो बहुत ही हाइड्रेटेड रहता है. इससे जो आपकी स्किन की मॉइस्चर लेयर है वो नहीं जाती. एंड इट डज कीप योर स्किन एंड बॉडी squeaky clean. So I really like this soap as well. Alright guys, so that is about it. And sometimes whenever I speak about some products, you might feel that what is special about these products, but trust me, you have to use these products to know the efficacy of these products. क्योंकि I am sharing my genuine experience with you all, what I felt, and इन सारे products ने मुझे कोई reaction नहीं दिया मेरे face पे. So very gentle. I have a very sensitive skin type and मेरी combination oily skin है, but winters में dry हो जाती है. तो मेरे लिए this kit is a boon. Now all the links and everything will be in the description box. आप जरूर check करना if you want to check out their products. And that is about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, please take care. Bye.